Hey guys, it's B-Dawg here, and tomorrow will be Thanksgiving, and that means we gotta go through with SMG4's new video and stuff. And this time, we gotta react to SMG4's newest upload, Mario Cooks a Thanksgiving Turkey, and also the new Mario does things as well. So, I don't know how this is gonna go, but let's get into it. So, without further ado, let's begin. 3, 2, 1, go. Do it again. One more time. 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey!
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Today we will be baking a holiday meal with Chef.
Where is he?
Where the hell is he?
Yep. There he is.
Great. Since tomorrow is Thanksgiving, we will be baking a special Thanksgiving dinner.
Then check this out.
Nope.
That's not enough food for a meal.
Ooh.
We are going to make an actual meal. Before we begin cooking, we'll need to get the main food, a turkey.
Wow.
Ooh.
Nope.
That's not a turkey, you idiot.
There we go. Yeah. Steve.
What?
I'm going to fly for you.
Nope.
Still a chicken genius.
Damn it!
This is what a turkey looks like.
Oh, I got it.
Uh-oh.
Wait, what are you?
That's right! We're going back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkey off the list!
Yep.
My friends, I present to you the first ever Thanksgiving turkey.
And you take it away.
Who wants fried rats?
Nope.
Woohoo! La 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 la.
Mario.
La 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 la.
The turkey's supposed to be dead so we can cook it.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ah, good job. Now that we have
Like
a
it.
turkey, we need to gather ingredients.
Yeah.
Mario, where do you keep your ingredients?
He don't know where the ingredients
Idiot.
are.
Looks like you'll have to go get them then.
Okie dokie.
First you'll need butter,
Alright. Ooh, ouch.
salt and pepper,
You okay?
carrots, celery, and other assortment of
Alright,
vegetables.
why the veggie tail characters? Why? Yep.
Fresh herbs,
What? Why?
onions and garlic.
Yep.
Yeah.
Good enough. Let's move on. Now that we've gotten all the ingredients, reach your hand into the turkey to remove its organs.
Oh, disgusting. What? Seriously? Ouch.
Oh yeah.
Mike. Nice. Oh, Dr. Mario. Yeah, you gotta be on organs. Good thing we got one up.
If you don't want to touch the organs, then use a tool to suck them out.
Makes sense though. Using Luigi's vacuum and...
Ooh.
I did it! I did it!
God damn it. Now we need to stuff the turkey.
What?
Stuffing is a bread mixture that can be cooked inside
yeah,
of the
that's
turkey
right.
to make a juicy and savory.
Walk away. Thank you.
Do it properly.
Nope. 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 Ooh, that's what happens. And another turkey. Ah, poor
That
Bob.
smell nice. Save me a slice, please.
Nope.
Alright. Now we have to brush the turkey. We need to make sure. Wait, no.
No, not okay. Why?
I think today we're going to do just a special little meme, and I think you're going to like it a lot. We'll start, as we always do, with our base image.
Mario
What?
stop.
Why?
You are not supposed to.
You can't rush art.
And now we'll just
What?
lightly...
Bob Watts is dead. I did. What?
And with that, I think we have a finished meme.
You were supposed to paint butter on it.
Ooh.
Oh.
Of course.
Now this is a masterpiece.
Yep.
Now it's time to cook the turkey. Mario, did you remember to preheat the oven?
No.
You idiot. It'll take too long to preheat the oven now. We'll have to find another way to cook it.
I got it.
Oh no, please. No, no.
No.
No. She can't cook, dude. Why would you? Why would you pick her? She can't cook. See?
Don't tell me I can do this! I can do this! Don't tell me!
Yep. And yep. Don't.
Nice job, dumbasses. That's not enough heat.
Why?
Still not enough.
God damn it!
Yep. Why do you have to put it in the lava? Yep. Well, that was a disaster.
All done.
Damn it. I guess this will have to do.
Oh yeah. Emma, tutulutan na rin.
Hang on, Mario. We're not done. We have to still prepare the sides.
Yep, I knew that would happen.
The first side we'll need is gravy. To make that, we'll need to melt 2 tablespoons
Yep.
of butter and then whisk in 3
The amazing digital
tablespoons
circus meme again.
of rude.
Oh no.
Thank you very much.
Ah.
To go to heaven, my child.
Now it's time to set the table. It's important to make sure that... God damn it.
Which should.
Now it's time to serve
I
your
love
friends
me
and
some with a
family.
gumball.
And watch them die, I mean. Enjoy.
E tutte le cotture catturate un simpatichete.
Ah. Oh. And see you later.
Oh,
Wow.
Hang on, guys. Let's give Mario's dinner a shot. Thanksgiving is about being thankful for what you have. Mario went out of his way to make an entire meal just for us. We should be thankful to have such a good friend who put in all this hard work.
I crave death.
Yeah, he's right. Yeah, you got that right. Well, you did it.
Pensadora fa grato.
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving. And dead.
so good and tasty?
And everyone died at the end. The end. That was a good video though. And that's it. We're done. We got that out of our sight already, so I can just get this over with, so I can edit everything in the video. So that's it for this video. Subscribe to SMG4 for more stuff in the future, and make more stuff in the future for more things like this. Leave a like, subscribe, comment, and also post a notification bell and share it. Follow me on Instagram, X, TikTok, and Twitch. Friend me on Nintendo Switch, Wii U, Snapchat, and Discord. Go Animal Crossing, New Horizons, Go My Dream. My Dream Matches is down below the description. Animal Crossing DLC out since 2 years ago. Mario Kart DLC, Nintendo Switch Sports, Fall Guys, and Splatoon 3. All 4 of them out a year ago. And Super Mario Bros. Wonder is out a month ago. Check out my Discord, and that's it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace. And goodbye. Peace out.
Fortnite. Abby, am I good at Fortnite?
It's pretty fucking good.
Yeah, I would say I'm pretty cracked, bro. I will whittly gritty on you IOL right now.
Well, I guess he's pretty good. Well, ask him how many crowns he has. How many crowns you have?
617.
Is that a lot?
Yeah, it is. It is a lot.
Hey, Abby, is that a lot of crowns?
Hell yeah, that's a lot of crowns.
Tiffany, is that a lot of crowns? Yeah. Yeah, I would say that's a lot of crowns.
Well, if you're really good at the game, maybe you and Jeffy can play sometime. What's your username?
My username is CheatClapper12.
That's the guy.